Today, we'll discover how to seamlessly transfer files from your Mac to an external hard drive for backup and space management. To begin, connect your external drive. Most Macs use USB-C ports. Check your drive's compatible cable and plug it into both the Mac and the drive. You should see an icon appear on your desktop. You may need to format a new drive upon first use. Open Finder. It's the blue smiling face icon to choose your files. Navigate to folders such as documents or pictures. Select files individually. With single click, select multiple files by holding the Command key. Then clicking each one, select a group of files by clicking the first, holding Shift, and clicking the last. Drag and drop is the easiest method. Click and hold selected files or folders. Drag them to the external drive icon, which is on the desktop or in the Finder sidebar. Then release the mouse button. A progress bar will appear. Be patient during the transfer, especially with larger files. It may take some time. You can pause the transfer, but don't remove the drive while ongoing. When it finishes, you can safely eject and disconnect the drive. Always eject your drive before disconnecting. Click the eject icon next to your drive's icon on the desktop. This guarantees all data is saved. Wait a moment, and then safely unplug the drive. Success. You've transferred files. Remember to organize your files and consider your drive's capacity.